welcome to my channel. This is Bhumika, and today I am just showing you what is inside my Chanel bag. So I hope you all girls enjoying my video, and yeah, let's start to the video. So first of all, girls, the bag is the most essential thing to keep your products. So the first thing is clutcher. Guys, this is really important to secure your hair. This is so essential thing to me because it's summer. And another thing is my lip balm, which is in pink color lip shape lip balm with the flavor of a strawberry. I love this lip balm and it's really cute. You can see my bag is full of the product which I really need it every day when I go outside. So the another thing is my lipsticks, because lipstick is really important when girl go outside. So I just always keep 3 shades of lipsticks because these lipsticks play a really important role in your face, because you can use lipstick as a blush, highlighter or contour, or you can use it as a eyeshadow. So this is really important to me. And another thing is my LV wallet. You can see I have always used the black color wallet, so I just switch to the LV wallet. And another thing is my Perfection Luminar Chanel foundation. This foundation is I really love it because I generally not use BB cream because BB cream are not full coverage, but this foundation is really full coverage. And it is a medium beige color and it suits every Indian skin color. You can see it's really good, guys. It's matched to my skin and I just love this foundation. I always use this foundation because this is so great and good product. And Chanel products is a worldwide popular brand, so everybody know about this product. And other thing is Chanel perfume. I really love this perfume, and this perfume smell like a floral, I mean to say rose. So this is really good. And guys, this is also pink color and I always love to keep inside my bag because you can go outside, so without perfume your day will never smell like perfume. So yeah, guys, always keep it. So another thing is my Chanel compact. These compacts are really good whenever your face is going to be sweaty. Use it as a powder. So yeah, guys, this is my mini compact and mini eyeshadow palette. This is so cute. I always love to keep mini version of it because I love it. And another thing is you will going to be loving it, guys. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, दिस इज सो क्यूट पिंक कलर पोर्टेबल ब्रश होल्डर. It is attachable brush. This is so good, girls. The 5 brushes with the big mirror. And girls, this is so portable and handy. You can use anywhere you want to use it. It has a attachable part. You can attach it or detach it, whatever you want, but this is so great. It's creates such a good quality brush and you can use with your personal brushes. I always keep it in my bag because this is so handy portable. And my another product is Kohl, Chanel Kohl, which is called kajal, pencil liner, whatever you call. And another is my Chanel mascara because this is so important. If you are a spexy girl, so your eye is most important thing in your face. So I just always use this mascara whenever I need it. So this is so good in quality. As you can see, this is little grayish color. This is not pure black color, but this is really good. You can use it whenever you want. Always keep it in my bag because this is Chanel product. And another thing is blotting paper. You know guys, blotting paper is remove your facial oils, and these papers are really good soft because it's remove oil from your face. Only you can gently tap in your face and it's remove oil. And another thing is my Chanel brooch. You know guys, I just really love brooches. Whenever you go outside, so your dress is simply plain pretty, so you can use and attach brooch. It's look like so classy and amazing. So I hope you all guys love, like, share my video and enjoying it very well. And I'm always showing here all kinds of girly pink makeup, fashion and lifestyle video. So make sure guys hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel because my channel is always promote girly pink things. So thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.